Hi guys, how you doing? This is Matt, MC Model Works. Got 3 builds going on at the moment. We got the Batman, Michael Keaton version. We got the 1/6 scale Joker, and we have a new build. These two, I've done videos for these two before. You might want to look at how I do them. Same process here. How I get them to stand straight. New build. This is Carnage, and I made one of these back in 1993, 94, and the casting on it is pretty good. Comes exactly as I remember it. They've got the tentacles. I hope that's the right phrase. Exactly the same. Oops, excuse me. And I'll get the body out for you. The head is pretty good casting. Exactly as I remember. So, yeah, it stands tall. Stands about 13 inches tall, I reckon. Can't really scale the Marvel stuff like this on a real person. It always seems to be larger than life. So that's that. Joker, yeah, said done them before. So yeah, so these are the 3 builds, and I'll let you know how I'm getting on, what I'm using. Batman. Okay, right. So I've made, this is my second one. I've made 5 of these before, so this is my 6th Batman, and this is my 9th Joker. And the quality of these are okay. They're a bit they are consistent each time. Got the top cut off. Okay. Does need some filler work, a bit of sanding, and we're there. Batman. It's getting worse. I don't think I'll be making these much longer. We've got a lot of sanding to do, a lot of filler work on these because they are recasts. See the holes and pits and stuff. So yeah, all that'll be worked over. A bit of milliput in there, and that's that. So yeah, lots of work, not so much work. Very little work on this one at the moment. But I'll let you know how I get on. Yeah, so follow my builds and see how I get on. Any comments? Carry on. Let's have a chat. Not a chat. Forget that. Right. Like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you later.